In today's video, I'm going to talk about who event photography is for. So talking about who event photography for is pretty difficult because there are so many different skills involved. We all have different attributes, and you could have very different attributes as a person, meaning like things you're good at, things you're not good at, than I do. And so talking about it in that way is a bit tough, and I've already made a video on the skills I think are required to be a successful event photographer, to be a great one even. But today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to focus on me and share why I feel incredibly well suited for event photography. And from that, I think you can gain some insight if you're considering pursuing this as to whether or not you would be good at it. So for me, I'm not a planner. I thrive in the immediate present. And in fact, it's like my life mission is to be as present as possible. Because of that, I don't really care for like fancy elaborate photo shoots. I'd rather just be shooting. I love feeling competent and capable through hard work, and then when I'm at the job, only worrying about just taking it all in and being fully present. Now, some people don't like the fact that the pressure that if you don't get it right, you're screwed. It's not repeatable. Some people might like the fact that a portrait shoot can be reshot if necessary. So for me, it's the opposite. I detest the idea of that. But like I have enough safeguards when shooting an event, multiple cameras, multiple memory cards, that's not an issue. And then the other factor that's involved would be that I've worked really hard at this. I feel like I'm not going to claim to be the best photographer, but at least I can claim that I know all the variables, meaning I know all the options available to me, and I'm able to pick the best one. And that comes from having a deep understanding of how photography works. It comes from familiarity with the job. And when you have that, there's this comfort you have. And when you're able to, it makes it easier to let go and just be like, whatever happens, happens, and I'll have the best solution for what happens. If an event gets rained on, you'll know what to do. If there's a blackout, you'll know what to do. Whatever is thrown at you, you'll know what to do. And that's why I love event photography. And I also find that it is the most... Here's the thing about any type of photography, and you really need to understand this if you're considering pursuing it. You are pursuing a business. And if you're looking to make money, I think there's probably other businesses that would be more successful with less work. But if you're passionate about this, and this is the business you want to pursue, know that most of what you're doing is not going to be actually making images. But I have found that with event photography, with all that stuff in the back end, all that stuff I'm doing behind the 10% of the time I'm shooting, there's less of it, I feel like, in comparison to weddings or fashion photography. There's less back and forth with the clients. There's less there's pretty much less back and forth with the clients. Pretty much you book the job, you show up, you shoot it. The edit is very easy to do compared to like acting headshots if you have to do advanced retouching. If you shoot it right, you could do, sometimes if it's a small job with great lighting, etc., nothing challenging, you can do an edit in 20 minutes and be done. And for me, someone who loves shooting and doesn't like the rest of it, I found this to be a great fit for me. It's been a few years, quite a few years since I fully transitioned. I did start off shooting other things until I eventually realized this was the way I wanted to go. And in a future video, I'm going to talk about career paths you may have in front of you as a photographer, which is rarely talked about. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this content, please like, subscribe. If you want more support from me, and I can support you this way, check out my Patreon page. There's a lot of perks, including one-on-one coaching, critiques, etc. Thank you for watching.